Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Dr. M.H. Chennaiya. In this video, we are going to work out a problem on a triangular pyramid which has to rest on one of its slant edges on VP, and that edge is perpendicular to HP, and the corner containing that slant edge should be on the line of intersection of HP and VP. So friends, the question reads like this. A triangular pyramid of side of base 30 mm and height 65 mm touches VP by one of its slant edges. You have this slant edge here. And as per the simple rule, one of the corner of this solid should come to your right. So we place the object on HP such that one of the corners of the base should come to your right, and one of the slant edge, the base edge will be perpendicular to VP. So friends, I am going to write down a triangle having side 30 mm that is given in the question, and it has got a height. So before that, let me mark this triangle to the given dimension. Locate what is called the center of the base. So that is O comma O1. O is the vertex and O1 is the center of the base. So we have got like this top view, and we'll name this as ABC. The corners are A, B and C. This is O, say O comma O1. Now friends, you will take this height and write down the axis of the solid, and the height of the solid is given to be 65 mm. So I just mark here 65 millimeter to indicate the height of the solid or the axis length. Friends, we will transfer all these points from the top view to the front view and call them as A dash, B dash. This is C dash. Join O dash, the vertex, to the corner, through the base corners like A, B and C. Friends, you find this last line represents one of these slant edges. Slant edges. Now friends, this slant edge O dash C dash should come to or should lie on the vertical plane. In other words, you have to make it first of all vertical so that you can push it to the front to make it to rest on the vertical plane. So what I do, I redraw this front view, this O dash C dash becoming vertical, and friends, I complete this triangle now. The same triangle I have redrawn with the slant edge O dash C dash becoming perpendicular to HP. That's all. It was like this. Same thing I have redrawn here, and I mark it as A dash B dash. And let's obtain the corresponding top view for this. Friends, you have got this A here, and this point is B, and very obviously this AB in the top view is also 30 again, because that is perpendicular to VP. And this point is C friend. So O lies on this and C also lies on this. So this point represents the slant edge OC or O dash C dash. So we'll join O to A, O to B, A to B, and this is how you get, friends. O dash C dash is here. This is A dash B dash, and this is O1 dash. So simply we'll show that on that. So this is our O1, the center of the base. Friends, you can see here, this OA is one of the slant edge, OB, the second slant edge, OC, the third slant edge, that is appearing as a point because that slant edge O dash C dash is now perpendicular to HP. What does he say next, friends? He says draw its projections when this is on the vertical plane. That is to say, friends, we have to redraw this figure such that this OC touches XY. So I will redraw this figure, friends, to the same dimension, whatever you have got here. This is our final top view, that is AB, we can say. This is A, this is B, this is OC, O comma C. Now friends, this OC represents the slant edge in the top view. So that is now seen as a point. That's why it is perpendicular to the HP. Now friends, we will produce all these lines and obtain the final projection. So draw a vertical line from A, a horizontal from here. The point of intersection will give you A dash. Likewise, vertical line from B, horizontal line from B dash. The point of intersection will give you B dash. And C is here, friends. This point is C dash. So I will say C dash somewhere here. So the vertex is here. So we will write a line passing through that. Friends, when you have this object resting on this slant edge on VP, the complete base is visible. So I am going to draw the line A dash B dash, visible line, A dash C dash, visible, B dash C dash, visible. And friends, you can see here it is resting on one of the corners of the base. So friends, this is the vertex of the solid, and I have to join this O dash to A dash, and you have O dash to B dash and O dash to C dash, and this particular line is not visible to us because it is on the vertical plane. So this has to be a dotted line, and this O1 dash you are going to get somewhere here, that is O1 dash. O dash, A dash, B dash and C dash. I told you friends, since this slant edge is on the vertical plane, you will not be able to see that, but the complete base A, B, C of the base is visible. And friends, this is how we obtain the projections of the triangular pyramid which is lying on VP on one of its slant edges, with the corner of that slant edge, containing the slant edge, is on the line of intersection of HP and VP. That is to say, on the line XY. Friends, this will give you finally the front view of the pyramid, and this will give you the top view of the pyramid. So this is how, friends, we obtain the projections of the solid. And friends, I hope you are all happy with the presentation I have made. Please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, do not forget to share with your friends. And in case if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do it today or at the earliest. I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.